Google recently launched its very own Android smartphones, the Pixel and the Pixel XL. And these are not your usual Nexus smartphones. These are phones made by Google. However, the Pixel starts at $649, which is quite pricey. And you must have wondered if the price is justified when you can buy any other Android smartphone. What's up guys, this is Rupesh from Beebom.com, and today let's take a look at some of the unique features in Google Pixel and what exactly makes it better than other Android smartphones. Interested? Well, let's dive in. The Google Pixel features top-of-the-line hardware, but that's part of every new Android flagship these days. Thus, we are only focusing on the unique software experiences in the Pixel. Arguably the best thing about Pixel is the fact that it comes with Google Assistant. While we saw a preview of Google Assistant in the instant messaging app Allo, the Google Assistant in Pixel is what we have always imagined Google's virtual assistant to be, and more. Google Assistant brings the functionality of Google now, but it's a lot more talkative. Yes, it loves to talk. You can just trigger Google Assistant and say, "What can you do?" And the assistant will show you all its capabilities. There are a ton of things that Google Assistant can do. You can ask for usual info like weather, news, scores, etc. And it even understands context better. For instance, you can say, "Who is Cristiano Ronaldo?" and then ask, "What team does he play for? When is his next match?" As you can see, Google Assistant understands context really well and brings you results accurately. It even has a personality similar to what you get in Siri or Cortana. So you can ask Assistant for a joke, a poem, or just play games with it. Or you can say, "I'm feeling lucky," and get surprised. Personally, I love Google Assistant and I love the way she sings.
This is my song. It's not very long.
It's the best voice assistant out there. In our previous video, you might have seen Google Assistant taking on Siri and Hound. If you haven't seen that already, do check that out. Also, check out some cool Google Assistant tricks from the link in the description below. Say goodbye to the Google Now launcher and say hello to the brand new Pixel launcher. The new launcher does not really overhaul the Android home screen. But hey, it's new, looks good, and brings a lot of new changes. While the app drawer remains, its icon is gone, and you can now swipe up to open it up. Google has also got rid of the search bar, and instead there's a new button which looks pretty cool. You must have also noticed the new navigation bar icons, which kind of look cool because they animate when you trigger the Google Assistant. It also includes a cool wallpaper picker, but it's not really exclusive as you can get it from the Play Store. Apart from the changes, the Pixel launcher looks modern, features some really cool transitions and works like a charm. If you want to try out the Pixel launcher on your device, you can download the APK from the link in the description below. However, do keep in mind that it might not play well with your device. The camera on the new Pixel is simply stunning. We have been testing it rigorously. In fact, we are working on a camera comparison video between Pixel and the iPhone 7 Plus. So stay tuned for that. The Pixel takes some really amazing photos and videos, and part of it is due to the great Google Camera app. The latest Google Camera app exclusive to Pixel devices brings some subtle yet very good changes. It brings a new UI with timer, HDR, grid and flash options available right from the viewfinder. The grid option is especially handy when you want to take photos in the perfect aspect ratio. Also, there's a new hamburger menu which lets you jump to various modes like slow motion, panorama, lens blur, etc. Or you can head over to the settings where you can set the volume key to act as a shutter, zoom or volume. My personal favorite feature in the latest Google Camera app is the ability to press hold on the viewfinder to trigger autofocus lock. Also, there's a cool new manual exposure slider. So if you think the photo you're taking is a little dim or just too bright, you can use the slider to get that perfect picture. Apart from that, the new camera app features some really cool transitions when you switch between the front and rear camera and when an HDR photo is processing. Apple offers great support for its iPhones, and Google is trying to replicate that with the Pixel. You'll find a new support tab in the settings page which lets you chat or call a Google representative for help. While the chat option works like a usual messaging chat, when you call up a representative, they can send you a screen share request to understand your query better. which is great considering it can be a little tough at times to explain your doubts or issues. The support page also lets you search for help topics, check out tips and tricks, and send feedback to Google. If you ask me, this is a really nice addition by Google, and we hope this feature comes to more Android smartphones. Pixel owners will be able to back up unlimited photos and videos in original quality, and it's a big deal. If you're using Google Photos on your Android device, Google already lets you back up unlimited photos, but only in high quality, which is Full HD videos and 16 megapixel photos. And if you want to back up full resolution photos, it'll take up your Google Drive storage. While the backed up high quality photos look almost the same as the photos you took, there is some compression at play, which is at times visible. However, on a Pixel, there's nothing to worry about, as the photos and videos will be backed up in their original size and quality in Google Photos. With Pixel not packing expandable storage, this is certainly appreciable. If you plan to get the 32GB version of the Pixel or Pixel XL, no matter what you do, you're going to run out of space one day, which is sad. But don't worry, that's where the cool smart storage feature will come into play. Smart storage automatically removes photos and videos that are backed up in Google Photos and are 30, 60 or 90 days old. It automatically works when your storage is almost full. You can also manually remove photos, videos, downloads and apps. With unlimited backup of photos and videos and smart storage, Google is making sure your Pixel never runs out of space. The Pixel smartphones are the first devices to rock the latest and greatest Android 7.1 update. And don't get fooled by the version number. It's a pretty good update. There are some cool changes here. New rounded icons, new power menu with the emergency and the much demanded reboot button, GIF support in Google Keyboard and a brand new calling UI. There are new moves too, like you can swipe on the fingerprint scanner to see the notification shade, or double tap on power button to open camera and more. However, the highlight of Android 7.1 is app shortcuts, which is very similar to iPhone's 3D Touch app shortcuts. You can just press hold on an app in the home screen and you get various shortcuts. For instance, on Chrome you get shortcuts for New tab or Incognito tab. Another very useful addition to Android, don't you agree? As of now, only the first party Google apps support shortcuts, but we can expect third party apps to follow suit. Well, those were some features that are unique to the Google Pixel, at least as of now. Sure, the Google Pixel is not meant for everyone, but it's arguably the best Android smartphone you can buy right now. Well, what do you think? Let us know your thoughts on Google Pixel in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.